Hi, it's meteorologist Joe Fury in the Storm Team 8 Weather Center. You know, it's a little tough when you're trying to, give a forecast or, give an overview of what's happening like this first weekend of July. That's, well, for some of you, for instance, southeastern Connecticut, it was a great beach weekend. Saturday and Sunday, doing just great. But if you were in northern Connecticut, it's a whole different story. Bradley International Airport was 3.01 inches below average in June in the rain bucket, just 1.27 inches of rain. They picked up 1.27 inches of rain in about an hour on Saturday, and then they, ended up with 3.3 inches for a record. It's the way it works around here, the extremes. And the idea is that we've still got these showers and thunderstorms around as we head through tonight and through the 4th of July. These storms pack a punch. The heavy rain, local street, highway flooding, watching out for your basement. And those of you that picked up a lot of rain in northern areas, that's where you've got the flood potential. Some of these storms are severe, a lot of lightning with them. And therefore, fireworks display situations are being postponed for tonight and again for Tuesday evening. But the good news, if you have the rest of the week off, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and maybe the weekend too, we're talking about classic July weather, great pool and beach weather. So even though you guys in southeastern Connecticut, the southeastern beaches, Sunday and Monday have been two great days, and even the bulk of the day here on this Monday was doing fine for the interior. So let's get to what's happening out there. We've had a thunderstorm cell that's had some broad rotation with it across the Portland, Middletown, South Glastonbury area heading over towards Bolton. There's a view of it during the course of the early evening. Hartford, you can see the view of the same cell out to the east. Heavy rain, very heavy rain coming with that out of northern Middlesex, southeastern Hartford County over into southern Tolland County. A cell that was a warned cell in Fairfield County, coming on down through Bridgeport and Milford, and a special marine warning was issued out in Long Island Sound. The cell that has had some broad rotation with it out of South Glastonbury and Portland, having moved on through the East Glastonbury, Marlborough region into Hebron. That one is certainly produced a lot of heavy rain, and there was one out near Voluntown and Beach Pond. So bottom line, the big rains from the situation that we had over the course of Saturday and Sunday was up there in northern Hartford County out of, basically the areas going up through West Hartford. There a couple of spots picked up 4 inches of rain, just amazing. So we have a flood watch in effect through 2 a.m. Tuesday for an additional 1 to 3 inches possible, some local street, highway, basement, river flooding. The flood watch is in effect for Hartford, Tolland, and Windham counties. As you can see, as we head through Monday evening and overnight, these showers and thunderstorms are there. Obviously, at times it's doing absolutely nothing, and at times it's downpouring rain. You can hear it, the lightning, thunder, making noise, some hail that's there too. Now, Tuesday morning, July 4th, the morning might be okay, not much going on, but once we hit lunchtime, here come the storms popping again. And Tuesday afternoon, locally heavy rain, the dangerous cloud to the ground lightning, the hail, some strong winds, some locally severe storms for the 4th of July afternoon into the evening. So that is obviously something to keep in mind. They're going to be out there. If you're out and about doing stuff, you got to keep an eye to the News 8 app, check the radar, and we'll have updates for you on air and online all day on the 4th. The great news, if you do have Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday off, 90 inland, 80s at the beach, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, classic July weather, great beach and pool weather to the lakes, the rivers. Be careful of the waterways. But yeah, we're talking about hazy sun, hot, humid without the thunderstorms Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday as well. And if we get lucky, maybe we can do that for the weekend too. We'll see. For now, it's scattered thunderstorms, some localized flooding tonight. It's warm and muggy. We stay in the 70s tonight. How about that? For the 4th of July, it's scattered thunderstorms, warm and humid. Those storms for any time from noontime on. It's highs in the 80s. And again, some of these storms pack a punch with heavy rain, localized flooding. dangerous clouds around lightning, hail, and some strong winds. Again, not doing that all the time, but they're out there, so you got to be weather aware on the 4th of July. And then Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, we're in the mid-80s at the beaches, low 90s inland. It's sunshine, it's hazy, hot, and humid. It's July the way it's supposed to be. And, well, if we got lucky, we'd have that same kind of weather for Saturday and Sunday, too. So we have Gil. Yes, the chief is in first thing on the 4th of July morning with the very latest update on how the 4th is going to go. At times it's going to go okay, and at times it's not. And then we're going great. Again, if you have the rest of the week off, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and maybe the weekend too, you will enjoy the weather. Well, as long as you like heat and humidity, you'll have it mainly dry. So that's the very latest update. Hope you're feeling well, and be safe out there on the 4th. Bye.